Finish this. We're finished.
Do it. I'm
Who gave her the hickey on the neck?
Not for me.
It gets red under there sometimes.
Look at that.
Hi, Chubby.
Hi, Chubby.
Well, keep doing it. I'm making a movie now, so do it.
It's red a little bit.
Have you ever had this before?
All right.
Go back and do it again.
Now we're gonna clap and do all of our other moves.
Go do it again.
I like this so big, randomly. Don't even ask me. Just look at you. What do you want from me?
So big.
Yeah. You're all gonna be so tired of that.
So
big.
big.
We're not amused anymore.
We need something
It's really
new.
not
Her
all that.
father hasn't seen her do that.
So big.
Yeah, seen this so big.
So big.
Do this so big. I'll get you.
Bob, do the cover.
And then it comes down quickly. Oh, she knows now.
She's gonna clap.
Patty cake now. We patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake, patty cake.
She looks at her like, what the hell are you talking about?
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah.
It takes her a minute, but she gets it in.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Or not.
And you're sharing that
There you go. Good job.
How big is Evan?
Good job. You did it.
one. Fork, honey. 2 forks.
When do they start sucking their thumbs?
Oh,
At
I
birth.
think some people start,
Not
yeah, really early.
With the duck. They won't
she
do that.
she
Mackenzie
sucks
does
her
it, yeah, she
toe.
sucks
But is she pretty much weaned from the pacifier?
Are you kidding?
Oh, I
only
haven't
way
seen
I
it
can
in
get
her
her-
mouth since
Really,
she's
I
been
keep
here.
trying to take it away from her, but at night, it's the only way I can get her to go to sleep. I don't think she
Well,
just,
maybe at night, you know.
Yeah, that's what I'd like to start doing it is only at night, but I'm kind of bad
That's what the
because
super nanny does. They put the pacifiers under, when they wake up in the morning, they put them under their pillow. They can have them when they go to sleep. They know where they are. If
Yeah.
they need to go look for them, they can
Then
see
I
where they're
wanted
And you can go to the trash and get yours.
Yeah.
how do you even break them of that habit then?
Until I empty the trash.
Yes. That was horrible. I can't believe you were so quick.
God, I
to
can
empty it.
actually remember. Can you remember her going on the back and looking for it?
Oh.